US Supreme Court has ruled in favor of Donald Trump to keep him on the list of candidates for the 2024 primaries. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to Celebrity Top Notch CTN and hit the notification button to be notified when we post great videos. Let us know your possible suggestions by leaving your comments below. The US Supreme Court has ruled that former US President Donald Trump can remain on the list of candidates for Colorado's Republican primary, despite the 14th Amendment. The US Supreme Court ruled on Monday that former US President Donald Trump can remain on the list of candidates in Colorado's Republican primary, giving him a major boost. The state Supreme Court had sought to remove Trump from the ballot on the basis of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which states that those who have engaged in rioting cannot hold public office. Desperate to prevent the 2020 presidential election, which he lost to Democrat Joe Biden, Trump was accused of inciting and supporting a riotous mob that stormed the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021. The former president rejoiced at the Supreme Court's decision and wrote on his social media platform Truth, "A big win for America." He wrote, "The presidential candidate is likely to face Biden again in November's election. Supreme Court blocks states' attempts to remove Trump from presidential ballots." The Supreme Court decision also stopped similar attempts by other states, including Illinois and Maine, to remove Trump from the ballot based on the 14th Amendment to the Constitution, which says a person cannot hold office in the U.S., including the presidency, if he or she has participated in sedition or rebellion against the state, or given aid or comfort to the enemies of the state the end was in sight. But the Supreme Court, by a conservative 6-3 majority, made it clear that only Congress has the power to apply the provision to federal office holders and candidates. In an unsigned opinion, the court concluded that a state may disqualify a person holding or seeking state public office. However, with respect to federal offices, particularly the presidency, states have no authority to apply Article II of the Constitution. The ruling came on the eve of Super Tuesday, when most states hold presidential primaries and party caucuses, the 45th U.S. President also faces 2 criminal cases related to attempts to overturn the results of the 2020 election, one in federal court in Washington and the other in Georgia State Court. He denies any wrongdoing and says prosecutors are conducting a politically motivated witch hunt to prevent his re-election. That's what we have for you today. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that share button.